Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing the world as we know it. This technology, once confined to the realms of science fiction, is now a tangible reality that is transforming various aspects of our daily lives. From self-driving cars that navigate busy city streets to virtual assistants that manage our schedules and answer our questions, AI is already automating tasks once thought to be the exclusive domain of humans. These advancements are not just limited to simple, repetitive tasks, but extend to more complex activities that require a degree of intelligence and adaptability. This begs the question, what will happen when machines can do our jobs better than we can? The implications of this shift are profound and far-reaching. For centuries, humans have relied on their physical and cognitive abilities to earn a living. The Industrial Revolution brought about significant changes, but nothing quite like what we are witnessing today. But AI is changing the rules of the game. It is not just an evolution. It is a revolution that is redefining the very nature of work. Machines are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of performing complex tasks that require learning, problem-solving, and decision-making. These are capabilities that were once considered uniquely human. This shift toward AI-powered automation is not without its consequences. It brings about a new set of challenges and uncertainties. As machines become more capable, they threaten to displace millions of workers across various industries. The fear of job loss is a significant concern for many. The fear of widespread job displacement due to AI is not unfounded. It's a real possibility we must confront head-on. Society must prepare for this inevitable change. The question is not if AI will replace jobs, but how we can adapt and thrive in this new reality. By embracing change and focusing on reskilling and upskilling, we can find new opportunities in an AI-driven world. The rise of AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's happening now, transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. We interact with AI daily, often without even realizing it. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is there, making our lives easier and more efficient. From the chatbots that answer our customer service inquiries, providing instant responses and solutions, to the algorithms that personalize our social media feeds, curating content that keeps us engaged and connected. AI is subtly woven into the fabric of our lives. It's in our homes, our workplaces, and even in our pockets. One of the most visible manifestations of AI is the development of self-driving cars. These vehicles promise to revolutionize transportation, making it safer and more efficient. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and Cruise are pouring billions of dollars into developing autonomous vehicles that can navigate complex environments without human intervention. These advancements are not just about convenience, they have the potential to save lives by reducing human error on the roads. But the applications of AI extend far beyond the automotive industry. AI is making waves in numerous fields, each with its own set of groundbreaking innovations. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases, and even perform surgery. These technologies are improving patient outcomes and making healthcare more accessible. In finance, AI-powered algorithms are making investment decisions and detecting fraud. These systems are enhancing the efficiency and security of financial transactions. These are just a few examples of the many ways AI is being deployed across industries. The potential for AI to drive innovation and efficiency is virtually limitless. As AI technology continues to advance, its impact on the job market will only become more profound. While some jobs may be displaced, new opportunities will emerge, requiring us to adapt and evolve alongside these intelligent systems. While AI has the potential to automate many jobs, some are more vulnerable than others. Generally, tasks that are repetitive, rules-based, and data-intensive are most susceptible to automation. For instance, in manufacturing, robots are already being used to perform tasks such as welding, painting, and assembly. These robots can work faster, longer, and with greater precision than their human counterparts, making them a cost-effective alternative for manufacturers. The transportation industry is another prime target for AI-driven automation. As self-driving trucks and delivery drones become more commonplace, millions of truck drivers, taxi drivers, and delivery workers could find themselves out of work. Even white-collar jobs are not immune to the rise of AI. In fields like law and accounting, AI-powered software is being used to review documents, analyze contracts, and prepare tax returns, tasks traditionally performed by highly paid professionals. The potential for AI-driven job displacement is staggering. According to a 2017 study by McKinsey Global Institute, up to 800 million jobs globally could be lost to automation by 2030. Another study by Oxford Economics predicts that robots will displace 20 million manufacturing jobs worldwide by 2030, with China, the US, and the European Union being the hardest hit. These statistics paint a sobering picture of the future of work. While some argue that AI will create new jobs to replace those that are lost, others fear that the pace of job creation will not keep up with the rate of job displacement. Section 5. A picture speaks 1,000 words, visualizing the AI revolution. This image captures the essence of the AI revolution. Machines are taking over tasks once performed by humans, leaving some workers displaced and others in supervisory roles. This visual representation underscores the urgency for workers to adapt their skills to remain relevant in an increasingly automated world. Section 6. Future-proofing your career, adapting to the age of AI. In the face of such dramatic technological change, it's natural to feel a sense of unease about the future of work. However, it's important to remember that we have agency in shaping our destinies. The key to thriving in the age of AI is to adapt and future-proof our careers. This means developing skills that are difficult for machines to replicate, such as creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving. It also means embracing lifelong learning. The skills we learn today may not be relevant in 10 years, so it's crucial to continuously update our skills and knowledge to remain competitive in the job market. Section 7. The skills you need to thrive in an AI-powered world. So, what specific skills should you focus on to thrive in an AI-powered world? As technology continues to evolve, the job market is rapidly changing and new skills are becoming essential. Here are a few areas to consider. Creativity and innovation. These skills are becoming increasingly important as they allow you to think outside the box and come up with unique solutions. Machines excel at following instructions, but they struggle with creativity and innovation. This is where human ingenuity comes into play, making it a valuable asset in any industry. Developing these skills will be essential for coming up with new ideas, solving complex problems, and differentiating yourself in the job market. Critical thinking and problem-solving are also crucial. As AI takes over routine tasks, the ability to think critically, analyze information, and solve complex problems will be highly valued. These skills will help you navigate complex situations and make informed decisions. Emotional intelligence and interpersonal skills are equally important. While machines can mimic human emotions to some extent, they lack genuine empathy and social intelligence. These human qualities are essential for building strong relationships and effective teamwork. Developing strong interpersonal skills, emotional intelligence, and the ability to build meaningful relationships will be crucial in an AI-powered world. These skills will help you connect with others on a deeper level. Digital literacy and technological fluency are also key. In an increasingly digital world, it's essential to be comfortable with technology and to have a basic understanding of how AI works. This will enable you to leverage technology effectively and stay ahead in your career. Section 8. Embracing lifelong learning in the face of constant change. The rapid pace of technological change means that the skills we learn today may quickly become obsolete. Therefore, embracing lifelong learning is no longer optional. It's essential for survival in the 21st century job market. This means being open to new ideas, seeking out new knowledge and skills, and being willing to adapt to changing circumstances. It also means taking ownership of our professional development and seeking out opportunities for growth and learning. Fortunately, we live in an era where learning resources are more abundant than ever before. From online courses and MEOCs to professional development workshops and industry conferences, there are countless ways to expand our knowledge and skills. Section 9. Finding the balance AI as a tool for human progress. The rise of AI presents both challenges and opportunities. While it's true that AI has the potential to displace millions of workers, it also has the potential to create new industries, enhance productivity, and improve our quality of life. The key is to find the right balance between AI advancements and human career adaptations. This will require collaboration between governments, businesses, and individuals to ensure that the benefits of AI are shared broadly and that workers are equipped with the skills they need to thrive in the new economy. Ultimately, the future of work in the age of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to shape it. By embracing lifelong learning, developing future-proof skills, and fostering a mindset of adaptability, we can navigate the challenges and harness the opportunities presented by this transformative technology.
Before you leave, our team will be very happy if you can give this video a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.